Hey everyone, Crash from Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona, and we're finishing up some work on Pat's 1946 Ford Woody. She brought it in. She brought it in just for a few little easy supposed maintenance issues and did an oil change on it. When I was under there, I noticed one of the brake lines was weeping, so we fixed that. Got hood latch issue that I am fixing, and we're also going to get a hood strut kit and install that. I also got to check to see why the speedometer is not working. But all fairly minor stuff. Just check out how killer this ride is, though. Oh, super nice. We also, she also wanted to raise the front end up, so the adjustable coilovers are maxed out. But I'm going to make a spacer for the mount here to raise it up just a little bit, because it was her husband's and he drove it, and by the looks of the underside they scraped up the bottom quite a bit, and she wants to drive it way more than what she has in the past, and adjusted ride height would make things a little bit easier. But it is a really nice car everywhere. The wiring is nice, the paintwork is detailed everywhere. A lot of polish, a lot of chrome, AC obviously. It's got all the right stuff. Sounds killer. Really nice driver. She loves driving it because it rides so nice. So we'll tune up those things, get it outside, and I'll show you some of the really cool details on it. Let me show you how nice this car is underneath. Nice and driven. Definitely driven. I don't know when the time frame was when it was built, but check out billet aluminum control arms, top and bottom. Look at those badges of honor. Driven, definitely driven. Super nice, fully boxed frame, new center sections. It's definitely stout. Everything on here is really nice, really well done. And what I like about it, it gets driven. I think you know I like stuff to be driven. Make it as nice as you feel comfortable with driving it. Mustang 2 setup. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. Another cool thing they were totally thinking when they did this, because it's got the brake booster master underneath the car, like many street rods do. And when they do get built, a lot of times the fab guy, the mechanic guy, isn't in line with the interior guy, and all of a sudden there's no hole in the floor to get to the reservoir. But this, check this super cool setup. It's got, you know, this, I mean, this all makes sense to me, but a lot of guys miss it when they're building their car. Little mounting plate, block off plate, and upholstered carpet panel that just pops in. Look at that. It's like, oh, it's almost like it's not even there. Then you want to see it really disappear? Boom, floor mat. Super nice, super nice. And look, I had to do some stuff underneath. Speedo cable stuff. Look how nice it's wired. Super nice everywhere. Painted everywhere. Right? Look at these. Look at these dashes. Oh, look at that chrome. And obviously, it's a Woody. If you ain't familiar, look at how beautiful the roof is. And there's a cool print in there. Fully upholstered. Look at that. Very nice. Very nice wood everywhere. Whoever built this, look at that, the shine from that varnish. Oh man, it's so cool. So cool. If you haven't seen like a really nice Woody in person, this is one of them. If you do see it at a show, walk up to it, check it out. It's really unbelievable what they were doing back then. Hey, I'm on this side of the shop now. Got the 46 over here, about to do the hood strut setup. And if you're wondering why I was doing oil change with jack stands, not that you can't, you can, everybody does it, but the hoists are still occupied with other projects, so I ain't scared. I ain't scared. I ain't scared to work with jack stands. Get on a creeper, roll underneath, do an oil change, check a speedo cable, easy stuff. We will pull this out and I'll give you a quick walk around and point out a few cool body mods. Looks stock, but it's got a little tweaks here and there to make it look a little cleaner. Let's take a look at it outside. Sounds good, looks good. Sitting pretty right, static. I mean, right would be begged and hammered on the ground in my mind, but each their own. Everybody's got their own style. Got a pretty classic, what looks to be like Resto Rod style. Let me point out a few body mods. Cowl vent, shaved, welded up, super smooth. You don't need that when you got AC. And those that know, 46 to 8 Ford, this was a two-piece setup here. There used to be a seam here that was welded up, smoothed out, made to look like one big fender. Way cleaner. And check the bumper tuck. Man, she's super tight, narrowed and tucked in close to the body. I like that a lot. It's got a good look, pretty cool side mirror. That was an option back then where it lines up with the side trim. Really smooth looking. That is pretty much it for the body mods. Wagon delivery rear bumper, not like the cars. Inside is really nice. I kind of showed that before. Really good looking car. And that wood out in the sun. Kind of got a bright haze going on today, but still a shadow. I don't know what kind of wood it is, but it's really got a cool grain to it. really cool grain. Ah, here we go. Got these loud ass racers going by, going into the desert like it's a race track. Playing on a weekday. Charmed life. Goals right there. Check out the license plate frame. Surfboards. Those are surfboards. Right on. Let me know in the comments. Woodies? Yes? No? Kind of got to. They're like iconic. I mean, what true car guy wouldn't want one? At least for a little while. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll keep bringing you weekly content.
Well, boys and girls, I would really like to hear what you think about that Woody. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We really do appreciate it.